What's up, everybody? Welcome to John's Daily Hustle. So the day has finally come. I am finally selling the two mowers that started it all. If anybody new, as you guys know, I started mowing my business with this mower here. I had this and ramps to the bed of my truck, and that's what got my business going last year in the beginning of 2020. And then my business just snowballed and blew up from there. And then I had to get the need for this. However, for those of you that know that have been following me for a while, both of these mowers have been a big pain in my ass since day one. Between trying to find parts for that one, and this one blowing up on me, and having to rebuild the whole deck, and just all kinds of BS stuff going on with it, they've been a pain in the absolute butt. Now, I've definitely made my money with these two mowers. Well, 3 times over and then some, right? I like to stay transparent with everybody and honest with y'all. And let me break down the numbers for y'all. This mower here, I bought for $300 and it spent about $100 to $150 in parts, not including regular maintenance like oil change and air filter and so forth. I spent about $100 to $150 in parts. Let's just call it $150 even just for the hell of this, right? So I spent $450 on this mower to begin with. And it started my business. You know, it snowballed. You know, it's what made my money. It's what got me hustling. It's what got my name out there. This mower right here. Now, I sold this mower to the same guy that bought this. So because he's buying both of them from me, I gave him a very good deal. I sold this mower for $200. So I spent $450 on it and I sold it for $200. Yeah, I sold it for half of that. But guys, that's only $200. Do you know... that's a $250 loss there, I guess you could say. But do you know how much money I've made off of this mower? Even if I broke down every job that I used this mower on and how much money I've made from it, I still can't even add up the priceless factor of it got my business going. That means a lot to me. You know, like I said, this got my name out there and it got me hustling. So to me, this mower is priceless. I could sell it for $100 and I'm still in the positive on that. Now on to this pain in the ass. Me and her had a love-hate relationship all year, I guess you can say. I loved it, but I hated it. So yes, I got this mower for free. However, all total, I spent about $1,200 in parts on this mower. Between having the deck rebuilt, the hydro oil change, the push rods, the belts that it went through, you know, all the extra little stuff all the BS crap that happened to it. So it cost me $1,200 in the long run. However, I started mowing my apartment complex with it and the few commercial properties I had with it. So it really got my business doubled. You know, that one got me started, but this one doubled my business. Really able to take on a lot of larger properties and a lot of larger contracts with that mower in particular. So now for the nitty gritty part. What did I sell this mower for? Again, I sold it in the off season. It's January 11th, 12th right now is the date. So in the off season, I sold it to somebody with the other mower. So I gave him a good deal because he bought both at the same time. I sold it for $1,200. That's right. I sold it for exactly what I had into it. I put $1,200 in parts. I sold it for $1,200. So between the two, I got $1,400 for both of them and I'm delivering it. Yeah, that's pretty cheap to sell these mowers, but again, it's during the off season and it's to the same guy. And despite the problems I've had with both of them and the problems that are still kind of wrong with it right now, I've still sold both of them. Like I said, they started my business, so that means a lot to me. You know, that's worth its weight in gold, like I keep saying. It's not like I still owe money on either one of them or anything like that. You know, they were completely paid for. And it's also not like I use really either one of them. So I made $1,400 to have a whole half a garage. You know, I could fit one whole car in here now, and that's worth its weight to me too. I don't know, by the time you guys see this video, there might be another mower sitting right there, give or take, in its place, but we'll see by the time you guys see this video. Anyways, you guys already know what mowers I've got coming, or what mowers I'm planning on getting anyways. You guys may have watched that video, go check it out if you haven't, but I am planning on replacing this mower, that mower, and I'm still gonna sell that mower, and of course that one too, and it's going to be replaced. All 4 of those mowers are going to be replaced with just one mower, but I haven't decided for sure yet what I'm going to end up doing. So we'll see, who knows, maybe by the time this video comes out, the very next video you guys watch might be the reveal of the new mower I've got. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, because I definitely want to bring y'all guys along with me and you guys to see what mower I'm getting next. So be sure to give it a thumbs up as well, and thanks for watching, y'all.